Hi, today let's make tasty ghee rice at home, for which in a pot you need to add in oil. Once the oil has been heated, add in sliced onions and give it a good mix. Now you need to fry the onions till it is 70% done. When it is almost 70% done, add in cashews, then goes in some curry leaves and give it a good mix. The curry leaves needs to turn crispy and cashews when it turns slightly brown, that is the time you need to add in dry grapes or dry raisins and then give it a good mix. When the grapes fluffs up, take it and keep it aside. Keep all these fried stuffs aside. Now to the same pot I've added in ghee. Once the ghee has melted, next what I'm doing is adding some whole garam masala like cloves, cardamom, cinnamon, bay leaves and fennel seeds, and then give it a good mix. Once the flavor is infused, I've added in sliced onions. Onions needs to turn slightly pink here, not brown. When it turns slightly pink, I've added in a jeera rice here. Jeera rice gives a great flavor to ghee rice. So I've soaked this jeera rice only for like 20 minutes and then I've added it. Here I've taken 1 cup of jeera rice and then give it a roast is really very well with the ghee and then add in 2 cups of hot water. So for 1 cup of jeera rice, 2 cups of hot water. Mix all of these ingredients really very well. Then add in salt to taste. Squeeze in some lemon juice. Add in ghee on top and give it a good mix and cover it with the lid for at least 15 minutes and that's it. Your ghee rice would have fluffed up by now. It's 90% cooked at this stage. Add in all the fried onions and cashews and raisins which we had fried previously. This gets a beautiful flavor to the ghee rice. Once you spread it evenly, what you need to do is again cover it with the lid and at least keep it for another 10 minutes in a very low flame and your tasty ghee rice is ready to serve. You can have it with nice chicken curry, veg curry, mutton curry, anything of your choice or just like that. If you like my recipe, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Enjoy.